Riwruok mar jous yedhe ma pacho ka oriwo lwedo chenro ma piny owacho ni godo mar timo apedha ne ute ma uso yedhe mar golo oko jogo ma ok luw chike kendo uso yedhe ma ok opuodhi. Jagoro mar riwruok mar kuonde mag uso yedhe Eric Gichange dwaro ni jatend migawo mar arita kod board mar yedhe kod jokanyo mag counties mondo mi okony e loso sektano. Kata kamano okwayo obila kod apisa matimo apedha mondo kik roch ratich johala e kinde ma gichwalo chenro ma kamago.
We propose implementation of Nyumba Kumi initiative, which we call zoning, in collaboration with local administration and county governments. To help in identification of registered premises, KPA has adopted the Blue Cross as a mark of trusted, quality, and safe pharmacy outlets to be mounted in all KPA members' registered premises.
The one that we will be using on the ground has got a QR code that can be able to be scanned and you get the identifications. We have also gone further to do what we mentioned as Nyumba Kumi. You can also call it zoning, where we have zoned the regions and we shall be having zonal leaders. So within the zones, we will be able to identify through the leaders of the zones legitimate pharmacies and non-legitimate pharmacies.